We've all heard it, financial literacy is the key to wealth. But if knowledge alone was enough, wouldn't we all be rich? The truth is, knowing what to do and actually doing it are two different things. There's a massive gap between theory and reality, where dreams of wealth often go to die. Today let's uncover the 4 pillars you need, beyond just knowledge, to truly build lasting wealth. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Welcome to the channel. I'm Alfonso, here to help you achieve real financial independence. No get-rich-quick schemes, just proven strategies. We focus on building sustainable wealth so you control your finances, not the other way around. Financial literacy gives you a map, but not the skills to handle real-life detours and setbacks. That's where the 4 pillars come in: mindset, systems, opportunity, and accountability, bridging knowledge and action for lasting wealth. Let's be honest, most of us know the basics: save money, avoid debt, invest for the long term. Yet so many still struggle. The real challenge isn't knowledge, it's action. Knowing what to do doesn't mean we'll do it. Our brains crave comfort and instant rewards, not long-term gains. To truly build wealth, we need more than facts, we need to change our habits. One of the most insidious traps for the financially literate is the illusion of progress. It's easy to spend hours consuming financial content. You watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read articles. But consuming information is not the same as taking action. The research phase feels safe, but action is risky. Wealth is built in the arena through trial and error. Shift from being a consumer to a creator. Take one small, concrete action. Open an account and set up a transfer. Action creates clarity. Understanding finances is a lot like understanding nutrition. We all know what's healthy, but knowledge alone doesn't guarantee action. Just as we sometimes pick fries over salad, we often choose spending over saving, even when we know better. The key isn't just knowing what's right, it's building systems that make good choices automatic, even when willpower runs low. Building wealth isn't just about smart choices. Our economic system often stacks the odds against us. Wages have barely budged while the cost of living soars, squeezing families no matter how carefully they budget. Even with perfect financial habits, it can feel like you're swimming upstream against a powerful current. Financial literacy helps, but it can't calm the waters. Recognizing these barriers is the first step to real change. Our own behavioral biases can be our biggest financial enemy. Our brains crave instant rewards, making it hard to save or invest for the future. Present bias and procrastination lead us to spend now and delay important financial decisions. Overconfidence and loss aversion can push us into risky trades or keep us from investing at all. The key: build habits and systems that protect you from your own worst instincts. In today's hyper-connected world, a new and pretty powerful barrier has emerged: the social media mirage. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook have, basically become curated highlight reels of our lives. We are constantly bombarded with images of friends, acquaintances, and influencers enjoying lavish vacations, driving luxury cars, wearing designer clothes, and dining at exclusive restaurants. This curated reality creates an intense and often subconscious pressure to keep up. The old saying was keeping up with the Joneses next door. Today we're trying to keep up with a fictional, globally sourced version of the Joneses. And honestly, it is financially and emotionally exhausting. This constant exposure to idealized lifestyles ends up distorting our perception of what is normal. When all you see is success and consumption, it's so easy to feel like you're falling behind if your own life doesn't measure up. This can trigger feelings of envy, inadequacy, and a fear of missing out, FOMO, powerful emotions that drive impulsive and often irrational financial decisions. You might finance a car you can't really afford to project an image of success, or go into debt for a gram-worthy vacation. These decisions provide a short-term social and emotional boost, but can be devastating to your long-term financial health, pulling you further away from your actual goals. Financial literacy might tell you that this is a foolish game to play, but it doesn't numb the emotional sting of feeling left out. The desire for social status and belonging is a fundamental human drive, and in the digital age, that drive is often expressed through consumption. Social media platforms are expertly designed to exploit this. Their algorithms feed you an endless stream of content that is designed to make you want more, buy more, and be more. Resisting this digital onslaught requires more than just knowing it's a facade. It requires a strong sense of self-worth and a conscious effort to disconnect your personal value from your material possessions. The most effective way to combat the social media mirage is to actively curate your own information diet. Unfollow accounts that trigger feelings of envy or encourage mindless consumerism. Follow creators who promote mindful spending, financial independence, and values-based living. It's also crucial to practice gratitude for what you already have, and to define your own version of a rich life, one that may have nothing to do with luxury brands or exotic travel. By consciously disconnecting from the pressure to perform and focusing on your own authentic goals, you can insulate yourself from this modern barrier and stay true to your own financial path. For millions, debt is like financial quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. High-interest credit cards create a vicious cycle, making progress feel impossible. Every dollar lost to interest is a dollar not invested. It's a massive wealth transfer. You're forced to play defense, trapped by easy access to debt everywhere you turn. Escaping this quicksand takes discipline, sacrifice, and a clear plan. It's a battle for your financial future, and it must be won to build real wealth. If financial literacy is the blueprint for your financial house, then your mindset is the foundation. Even the best plan will crumble if built on fear, scarcity, or self-doubt. Mindset is your beliefs about money, your silent narrator, telling you either, "I can do this," or "I'll never have enough." To succeed, challenge limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. See money as a tool for freedom and positive impact. The truly successful think differently. They see challenges as opportunities and believe in their power to create wealth. The shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset is crucial for wealth. Scarcity thinking keeps you fearful, defensive, and stuck, always worried there's not enough. Abundance thinking sees possibility, creativity, and growth. It asks, how can I earn more, instead of just, how can I cut back? This isn't about ignoring reality, but about believing you can adapt and create new opportunities. When you see setbacks as chances to pivot, you unlock your potential. Start with gratitude for what you have, celebrate others' wins, and invest in yourself. Your money story changes when you believe you can create value and seek out opportunities. With this mindset, you'll naturally look for ways to grow, invest, and build. That's how you pave the way for real, lasting wealth. Mindset is your why, but systems are your how. Willpower fades, but systems, like automatic savings and bill payments, work for you every time. Automate your savings the day you get paid. Pay yourself first, before you even see the money. Use automation for bills, debt payments, and even investing spare change. These small automatic habits add up, removing daily decision fatigue. Research shows people with automated systems build more wealth because the right actions happen by default. Systems overcome procrastination and inertia. Don't rely on willpower, build systems that make success automatic. Let your systems do the heavy lifting day after day. Systems beat willpower because they eliminate daily decision fatigue. Automate your key financial actions, like saving a set percentage of your income, so you don't have to think about it. It's like setting your GPS once and letting it guide you, even if you get distracted. Systems keep working in the background 24/7, building your wealth. The wealthy don't have more discipline, they have better systems. Automated investments and business systems generate income without constant effort. Embrace systems to make progress inevitable, no matter your income. Stop fighting your nature. Let systems make success your default. That's how you build a true wealth engine. Mindset and systems are powerful, but opportunity is the fuel. Opportunity means access to income, education, and tools for wealth. If you lack opportunity, don't wait, create it. Upgrade your skills, invest in education, and look for new income streams. The gig economy and digital platforms make side hustles more accessible than ever. Use extra income to pay off debt, invest, or build a financial buffer. Take an entrepreneurial approach. Seek ways to add value and grow. Don't wait for doors to open, build your own. Accountability is the glue that keeps your financial plan on track. We're social creatures. External support helps us follow through. A partner, friend, or community can check in on your progress and keep you motivated. Monthly money meetings or joining a financial group can make a huge difference. Professional accountability, like a financial coach, adds structure and discipline. A coach helps you clarify goals, design systems, and challenge your blind spots. External support turns intentions into consistent action. Don't go it alone. Accountability is your secret weapon. Top performers in every field have coaches. Why not for your money? A financial coach helps you align your plan with your values and keeps you accountable. They guide you through big decisions and help you avoid costly mistakes. Think of hiring a coach as an investment, not an expense. The returns can be huge. A coach turns your goals into a living project with regular check-ins. They provide the support and motivation you need when enthusiasm fades. Whether it's a coach, community, or partner, find your accountability source. That's how you turn knowledge and intention into real, lasting wealth. Financial literacy is just the starting point. It's your map, but not the whole journey. The real framework for wealth is built on 4 pillars: mindset, systems, opportunity, and accountability. Mindset is your foundation, shifting you from scarcity to abundance. Systems make progress automatic. Opportunity fuels your growth, and accountability keeps you on track. That's the complete wealth-building framework. Today, shift from just learning about money to building your personal wealth framework. Knowledge is only the first step. Combine it with the 4 pillars: mindset, systems, opportunity, and accountability. Automate your savings and debt payments. Make progress automatic. Seek new opportunities to grow your income, and find someone to hold you accountable. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Financial knowledge is just the key. It unlocks the door, but doesn't walk you through it. True wealth is built by using that key to create a structure supported by mindset, systems, opportunity, and accountability. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal isn't perfection, but progress, being a little better today than yesterday. Whenever you feel stuck, return to the 4 pillars. This is your compass on the lifelong journey to financial freedom. Now the question is no longer, what should I do? But will I do it? You have the blueprint and you have the architectural plan for the 4 pillars. The only thing missing is your commitment to begin construction. I want to personally invite you to start that process today. Don't wait for the perfect time because it will never arrive. Start small. Pick one pillar that feels weakest and take one small concrete action to strengthen it. If your mindset needs work, write down one limiting belief and the empowering belief you will replace it with. If your systems are lacking, automate one single transfer of $20 to your savings account. Action, no matter how small, creates momentum. I'm genuinely curious to know where you are on this journey. Which of these pillars, mindset, systems, opportunity, or accountability, are you actively working on right now? Which one presents the biggest challenge for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Sharing your focus not only helps to solidify your own commitment, but also creates a community of support. You will see that you are not alone in your struggles or your aspirations. I read every comment and I would love to hear from you and see how we can support each other in this process. Building a strong financial foundation is critical, but true, long-term stability in today's world is almost impossible to achieve with just a single source of income. That is why creating opportunity, specifically through multiple streams of income, is so vital. You need to build systems that bring in money from different directions to create a truly resilient financial life. If you're ready to take the next step in building out your opportunity pillar, I highly recommend you check out my next video. It's a deep dive into practical, actionable passive income strategies that you can start building today, because without multiple streams, you're always just one layoff away from a crisis. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into what it truly takes to build wealth. Remember, you have the power to change your financial destiny. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most consistent, the most resilient, and the most strategic. Combine financial literacy with a powerful mindset, robust systems, self-created opportunities, and a strong accountability structure. That is the real formula. That is how you break free from the 90% who are struggling and join the ranks of the financially free. The journey starts now. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.